3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, we'll show you how to recover your Gmail account, even if you've lost access to your phone number and recover your email. Whether you've reset your phone or misplaced it, there's still a way to regain access to your account. First, open the Google app on your device, hold the app icon, and select app information. Go to Permissions, tap on Location, and choose Don't Allow. Then minimize the app and do the same process for Google Chrome. Open app information, tap on Open by default, and clear defaults. Next, download and install OK Cloud Drive browser from the Google Play Store. Open this browser, navigate to google.com, and tap Sign In. Enter your Gmail account, tap Next, and then select Forgot Password. When prompted for two-step verification, select Try Another Way and avoid repeatedly pressing Try Again, as this can lock your account. Minimize and go to your phone settings Google. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Help. Search for Lost or Stolen Phone and follow the recovery guide provided. Tap on the account recovery page link, which redirects you to the browser. Enter your Gmail, choose to change your password, and set a strong new password. Once done, update your mobile number and recover email to secure your account. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.